Hello my dear students, ಇಲ್ಲಿ PU ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ accountancy ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ. Here the government grant is treated as a dash receipt. Government grant is treated as a dash receipt. It's a revenue receipt. The second one, state the minimum number of persons required to form a partnership. To form a partnership, we required minimum 2 members. Accumulated profit are transferred to all partners' capital account including new partner. True or false? The answer is false because the accumulated profit are transferred to only to the already existing partners. The amount due to deceased person is settled in the following manner. All of the above. Immediate full payment is one of the method. Transfer to a loan account, partly paid in cash and balance transfer to loan account. So here all of the above is answer. Fifth one, profit on forfeited share is transferred to dash account. Profit on forfeited share is always transferred to capital reserve account. Then sixth one, name any one method of redemption of debenture. There are several methods. Out of that, payment, lump sum payment or installment payment. This is two method or popular method of redemption of debenture. Write any one object is a financial statement to provide information about economic resources and obligation of a business or any other one. The eighth one is like a MCQ's question. Comparative statement analysis is also known as a horizontal analysis, and common size statement analysis is always called as a vertical analysis. Remember it. Ninth one, expand EPS. EPS stand for earning per share. 10th one, give an example for cash flow from financing activity. We know that cash flow statement under 3 activity: operating activity, investing activity, financing activity. So in the matter of financing activity, issue of shares, issue of preference shares, issue of debenture or redemption of debenture is a cash outflow of the financial activity. Issue of shares, issue of preference shares, issue of debenture, these all things is an example of cash flow from financing activity. After the completion of section A, the section B, answer any 5 question. Each question carry 2 marks. The question is like that: what is capital fund? What is capital fund? We know that capital means it's a investing funds. It's a investing fund it is, and we know the format. We know the formula for calculating accounting equation: A equal L plus L minus C. Is it na? Yeah. So then so investing fund is called as a capital fund. The answer: capital fund is a difference between the assets and liabilities of the not-for-profit organizations. So this much is enough one. Capital fund is a difference between assets and liability. Then write any 2 contents of partnership deed. We know the meaning of partnership deed. So the content like name and address of the firms, then name and address of the firms, then name and address of the partners or any other. Then 13th question is like that: state any 2 method of valuation of goodwill. Average method, super profit method. Then 14th one, give the journal entry for liability taken over by the partner on dissolution of the firm. So journal entry, realization account debtor to partner's capital account. So the narration being liability taken over by the partner. Then 15th one, what is oversubscription? In the unit of issue of shares, there are three subscription: oversubscription, undersubscription, and fair subscription. It's a situation when applications for more shares of company are received than the number offered to public for subscription. That situation is called as a oversubscription. Write any two limitation of financial statement. Do not reflect current situation. Assets may not realize or any other. State any two uses of financial statement analysis. Help the financial manager to take a better decision. The second use, help to management, is measuring the success of company's operations or any other. Then the last question of this modern paper, mention in two activities which are classified for preparation of cash flow statement as per accounting standard 3. We know that operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity.